didn't think I was just going to leave it at that, did you? We're actually going to fry these bad dudes. Be very careful, it's hot oil. It's chimichanga time, baby. It's Fritz's breakfast chimichangas. Alright guys. These are my first chimichangas too. Hope I can do them right. Oh yeah. Look at there, guys. Not too shabby. All right, guys. Let's pull our first one. Look at that, y'all. Yum diddly yum. All right, guys. Alright guys, let's take a peek. Oh yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about right there. That's chimichanga time. You like peanut butter jelly time? That's chimichanga time. Alright guys, I think we're ready to pull these bad boys. Take a peek at that, y'all. Daggone. Oh yeah. Alright guys, let's take a peek. Yeah boy, we're almost done, y'all. Do you want a chimichanga, boy? Alright guys, we got our working Wednesday feast over to the table, and I'm here to tell you, it smells wonderful in here, guys. And this is the very first time I've ever done chimichangas. Well, actually, it's the very first time I've ever done a breakfast burrito. Heck, those wraps that I did for y'all were the first wraps that I ever did, guys. So basically, I'm going to start getting into more stuff like this, guys. It's some really good cuisine here. And guys, I got to get after this. Oh my God, I got to get after this. Is it really good?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Take a peek at that, y'all. Man, oh man, oh man. That looks like a five-star restaurant, don't it?
Yeah.
Alright, guys. Got the bacon in it, the sausage, the cheesy eggs. Man, oh man. Oh my God, it's delicious. Wow. We've been missing out on that, ain't we? Get me a little bit of my Paul Newman salsa on it.
I'm sure you get more stuffing in this than you would somewhere else.
Oh yeah. They don't hardly put anything in these. This is out of this world. It's light and flaky. It almost makes the tortillas taste almost like a pastry, a puff pastry. Man, oh man, oh man. I'm here to tell you guys, this is a winner here, y'all. You have to try these, man. It's not complicated whatsoever. 1 pound of bacon, fried up crisp. 1 pound of sausage, your favorite bacon, your favorite sausage. 1 pound of sausage, fried up crisp. I did about, I believe it was like 9 eggs, 10 eggs, and I scrambled them off. And basically we just rolled them up in the Mission tortillas and fried them over in the black iron skillet, man. I'm here to tell you guys, cut up a few strawberries. And these strawberries are excellent too. Oh, the potatoes, yeah. And I used 1 full bag of the Ore-Ida potatoes O'Brien. That's all there is to it. And cheese, of course. I used some Velveeta and that bag cheese, whatever that was. I forgot the daggone name of it, but I took a picture of it. But that easy. Bacon, sausage, potatoes, cheese, roll it up and fry it. Oh my goodness. And guys, I was scared to death I was gonna have a blowout, go all in my pan there, but I'm getting pretty good at rolling these things. Well guys, I wanted to say thank you so very, very much for stopping by and visiting me over on Another Working Wednesday, y'all. I appreciate it so very much. And, oh yeah. Guys, I'm sorry, the daggone battery died again. And but I just wanted to say I reckon we're going to holler at y'all soon. I can't thank you enough for stopping by to visit with me. And we're going to see you Friday for cooking tips and household hints. All right, guys, thank y'all. We'll holler at y'all soon. Take care.